Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I've had this box turn up from Madam Glam and it looks to be their new cat eyes. I am loving those labels, well smart. So we've always got the swatch on the lid. I'm just trying to show you there, I really like that one. It's probably one of my favourites. So it is a soak off gel polish. You get 15ml in your glass bottles. You've got your ingredients on the back there, if anyone wants to have a quick look through those. You've got your directions on the back as well. So these do cure in 1 minute in LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. Also vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and Hema free. Amazing quality. Great for people that have allergies, like Hema allergies and things like that. So there's 6 in this collection. Look at those. They look well smart, don't they? So we're going to give them a swatch very quickly to start with. This is going to be the first one that we swatch, called Sweet Merlot. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to give them all a swatch. Then I'm going to show you what they look like as a full cover colour. And then I'm going to use the magnet on them. And we'll take a look at what they look like with the cat eye effect. But what I'll do is, I'll pop a little bit of music on and I'm going to speed all the swatching up. And then we'll come back in and take a look at them at the end. And then I want to do a few little designs showing you what you can do with these cat eyes. So yeah, I'm going to speed the swatching up, pop a little bit of music on, and then we'll come back and take a look at them.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So I have showed you these swatched over a clear swatch stick. I now want to show you them over a black, just to show you the difference. They are a little bit more opaque when you apply them over a black, but I do like that you don't have to. So this is Sleepy Morning, that gorgeous blue, my favourite. And that's what it looks like over a black. I really like how quick the particles shift on these cat eyes as well. And now I just want to do the little swirly line. So can you see the difference? Over a clear you get that blue background, but you don't get that on a black. But that cat eye is so much more vibrant on a black, isn't it? And then that is the rest. So you'll see I have given them a no wipe shiny top coat on the top and gone in with Madam Glam's velvet matte top coat on the bottom, just so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. I'm just trying to show you here what they look like. So this is after one coat. They are a little bit like a jelly, but they're still vibrant enough to use over a clear. That's definitely my favourite. That Sleepy Morning, that blue, is well smart. Can't wait to do some like ice nails using that. So that's all the swatches. So I've pulled out 4 tips, and I just want to show you a few different things you can do with these cat eyes. So I'm going to start off by using Late September, and I'm just painting the bottom 2/3, and I want it to kind of arch over at the top. I'm not too worried about that top being super neat, because I am going to go around the edge with a black gel paint anyway. And now I'm going in with a magnet and just bringing that cat eye effect out, making it nice and vibrant, just like that. And then I'll give that a cure. Now I've pulled out Madam Glam's black gel paint, and I'm using their striping brush to do this as well. And like I said, I'm just painting around the edge of the top, and then I'm going to also paint up the sides as well. So I want this to be like a border. I haven't even told you what this nail is going to be yet. So this nail is going to be a Christmas light. So I've painted around that border. I'm now going to paint the little bit on the top, the little screw bit on the top. And then I just want to do 2 lines coming out either side of that. And that's going to be the string. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. So we're on to the next nail now. So I've pulled out Stormy Day, and I'm going to give this tip a full coat of that. As you can see, you only need 1 coat, guys. Super pigmented these gels are. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. Now I've pulled out Sleepy Morning, and I'm just going to paint a little circle. I wanted it to be a little bit bigger than this. So I just left a little blob on the nail. Technical term that is, by the way. And then I'm just going in with my striping brush and making that a little bit bigger. And then before I cure that, I'm going to go in with my magnet, and we're just going to bring that cat eye effect out. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm painting another bauble, but slightly bigger. And I'm just painting that with my striping brush this time. I don't know why I did this different. Not a clue why. It just took so much longer to do it this way. I think because I didn't want as much product on this one. So once I'm happy with that, I'm then going to take my magnet, and I'm going to start to bring out that cat eye, making it nice and vibrant. Just like that. And then I'm going to spin it round, and I want to push all them particles right up to that left hand side, just like that. Give that a cure. I've now pulled out Cozy Weather, which is this really pretty pink colour. And on this one, I want to paint a candy cane nail. So I'm just giving it a full coat of Cozy Weather. Then we're going to bring the cat eye effect out using the magnet. Just give it a little wiggle. And a little wiggle on this side. Like that. Give that a cure. Now I'm using Madam Glam's white gel paint and Madam Glam's striping brush. And I'm just going to paint thick white stripes going all the way down the nail to represent the candy cane stripes, just like that. I give that a cure for 60 seconds. Now we're on to the last one. So we're using Crispy Leaves. I've popped a little bit on my palette, and I'm going to use my brush to do this. So on this one, I want to paint a cat eye teddy bear. But this didn't go too well. So I started off by painting the body, and I'm pushing all them particles up to the top, just like that. And then give that a cure. Now I'm going to paint the head. So just a small circle on the top of the body. Just like that. And then we'll get the magnet. Again, I'm pushing the particles up to the top. Just like that. And now we're going to paint the ears. So just 2 little circles on the top of the head. Well, semicircles. And I'm also going to do the feet. So the feet are just 2 ovals next to each other. Then we'll take the magnet, push the particles up to the top. And now I'm painting the arm. These was what kind of made it look a bit stupid. These arms look ridiculous. This is a really bad teddy bear, guys, honestly. Yeah, not my best. Not my best work. So we'll just do this arm as well. And then when I'm using the magnet for this bit, I'm just pushing the particles to the inside of the arm and into that hand bit. Just like that. And then give that a cure. We're now going to do the nose, so it's just a little oval. And bring the particles out on that. Give it a cure. Now we're going in with Madam Glam's black gel paint, and we're going to paint 2 eyes and a mouth. And then that is it. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. That'll be the designs all done, guys. I have top coated them off camera, so let's take a look at them. So this is the Christmas light. You'll see I matte top coated it first, but then I went in with a shiny top coat just on the light bulb. I really like that. This is the candy cane, so this just had a full matte top coat. Can't really see the cat eye in this. I should have done a little bit more work on that cat eye, really. This is the bauble nails. You'll see I've added a couple of bows and some string and dots. That's the baubles. And then this is the tragic teddy bear. Look at this. Look at them arms. Yeah, probably just ignore that one, guys. Ignore the teddy bear. So that is all the swatches, guys. I have given them a coat of Madam Glam's No White shiny top coat on the top half and their velvet matte top coat on the bottom half, just so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. They're really, really pretty, aren't they? If you was to apply them over a base colour, say a black or something, they would be even more pigmented, but I like that they don't have to be applied over a black. I quite like that they've got that little bit of a jelliness to them. So these are already on the Madam Glam website. Remember, guys, if you do decide to place yourself an order, I have got a massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam. I will leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the Madam Glam website. I really hope you enjoyed my little tutorials today. Probably not my best artwork I've ever done, but I just wanted to show you a couple of different things, what you can do with these cat eyes. So I really hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.